Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. Today I'm going over more hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. Let's jump right in and show you some more cool stuff you may not have known you could do with this phone. So, swipe down from the top, upper right corner, click on the settings, go to the search, type in one-handed, and this will come up one-handed mode. Turn it on. And it's really cool. You've got two ways to use it. The easiest way is using the home key. Well, it depends on the person. So let me show you both ways to use this, but it's pretty cool. So go home. Just by swiping from the corner, will automatically put the phone in one-handed mode, which makes it easier to use with one hand. It's just like this. Just swipe. There you go. So now it's easier to reach things, easier to just navigate the phone. We can swipe down to get our notification panel, but everything is just a lot more accessible. And when you want to get back to the regular full screen, just tap away from the screen and you're back. So you can do it from the left side or the right side, depending on what's your dominant hand. That's the first way. The second way, go back to settings here. You can do it by hitting the home button 3 times. So tap on button, and we'll just tap the home button 3 times. And it will switch right into the one-handed mode. So you try both out, see which one works better for you. But it's a great resource just having this turned on, because sometimes it's just really hard to reach the top of the screen just because it is a big phone. So that is the one-handed mode right there. Our next hidden feature is going to be a cool feature that will just let you know when you have missed a call or important notification. Swipe down from the top again, upper right corner, click on the settings, go to advanced features, and you want to turn on the smart alert. What this does is when your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or receiving a text message. So just turn it on, and literally if someone calls you and you missed the call, let's say your phone is down, someone calls you, you missed it, as soon as you pick up the phone, it's going to vibrate to let you know that you have missed a call or a message. So that's it. Pretty cool. Not sure why it doesn't come turned on in the box, but either way, that's how you turn it on and that's how you use it. Next feature is going to be a really important feature. It's called the Smart Manager. It's also in the settings. Swipe down, click on the wheel, device maintenance, just right here. Device maintenance or Smart Manager, basically the same thing. What this does is it helps you to get rid of excess stuff on your phone and always put your phone in a place where it's working the most efficient. So if you ever notice your phone feeling slow or sluggish, or it seems like it's just taking a little bit longer to do things, or you're even low on your storage, you want to open up your device maintenance and click on optimize. And what it's going to do is get rid of like excess files that are maybe on the phone from going to websites. It will close out apps that are running in the background that could be slowing the phone down. So look, it freed up storage for me. It will check to see if there are any apps that are running that are maybe draining the battery more than usual, and it'll close out background apps. Hit done. So it makes sure you have the maximum amount of storage available to use. It makes sure your battery is in the most efficient place, and it helps you clear out RAM to make sure your phone is moving smoothly. So this is a really important thing. More and more manufacturers are starting to put this on the phone. Samsung's been doing it for a while, and just a really quick and easy way to just speed your phone up and again get anything that shouldn't be open closed. So there is that. The next hidden feature is another really cool one. It's an AI feature that is new to the J7 series. It's called Bixby Vision, and it's a feature that will allow you to shop with your camera. You can scan things and it will find it online so you can purchase it. To kick this off, we're gonna go to the camera app, go to apps, the camera, and you're gonna tap on Bixby Vision. There we go. All right, so now we have two things here. We have a DVD and we have a board game. So let's say you're at a friend's house and you watched a really good movie and you're like, oh man, where can I purchase this movie? Well, it's just this easy. What you're gonna do is take the phone, you're gonna take the phone and just hold it right over the game, and then it's gonna search for it online. So it's kind of hard to see it on here, but basically what's popping up here is the store you can get it from. Sorry, it's not clear, but basically there's two pop-ups, and so they found that Nordstrom has it and Walmart has it. So I'm gonna tap, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna take you right online. So these are the two stores you can get it from. We're just gonna tap on it right there, and then it's gonna take you right to the website where you could purchase it. There we go. So I found the game. Oh man, it's only 50 bucks, cool, let me go ahead and buy that. So then we'll do another one here for this DVD. Just hold it right over the movie. You want the lighting to be as good as possible as well. And it found it at Walmart. We're gonna just tap on it. Now it's gonna show you the different prices. So what's cool is it even finds you the cheapest price as well. So then I can tap on it and I can purchase it right from Walmart's website, or at least I know that it is available at Walmart. So there is that. So really cool feature, and this comes in handy. Definitely allows you to do some really cool stuff. Again, sometimes you see things, you're like, oh man, that's cool. Like, I wonder how much that is. I wonder where I can buy it. Well, now your phone can tell you just by using Bixby Vision. Now, Bixby Vision does a lot of other stuff, but the shopping element is probably the feature I use the most of it. So that's kind of what I showcase. But play around with it. You can definitely do a lot of other things as well. Our last hidden feature is going to be something really useful you can do in the camera as well. We'll go back to the camera. And we're gonna just go to the settings in the right corner here. And we are going to scroll down and turn on the floating camera button. So sometimes it's hard to take selfies because you gotta hold the phone in a really weird way and you gotta get the right angle. So basically for selfies and for regular pictures, you now have a floating button, a floating camera button. So I can move this all the way up here, for example. So maybe I'm holding the phone in a certain way because I want to get a special shot. And once I have it, now my camera button is here. It's easier to get to versus having to reach down here. So you just tap it right up there. But you can move it anywhere you want on the screen to help you get the best shot. So that's just the floating camera button, which is pretty useful. Alright guys, this has been more hidden features on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you knew all these or if you learned something new. I'd love to hear your feedback to see if we're showing you guys cool hidden features. And thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.